Hi everyone and welcome to another video by Eduolio. In this video, we'll learn how to copy formulas in Excel without changing cell reference. So I have some sample data here. You can see I have employee names, I have units sold, price and total sales. Now to calculate total sales, we are using a formula which is B2 into C2, which is multiplying units by price per unit to get us the total sales. So this entire data has formulas. Now what I want to do is I want to copy these formulas and paste it somewhere else without changing the cell reference. So I'm going to select this and let's say I come here and paste it. Now you can see it is actually showing me 0, 0. The reason is if I double click here, the formula is changed. Now Excel is multiplying column E and column F, and because these are empty, I'm getting the value 0. Whereas we actually wanted Excel to just copy paste the same formula, which is multiply column B and column C. This is happening because cell reference or cell address got changed. When I copied this and pasted it here, which is 2 columns to the right, Excel also moved the cell references by 2 columns to the right. So instead of multiplying B into C, it actually multiplied E into F. So this is where the cell references are changing. And this is something we want to completely avoid. We just want the exact same formula. So let me show you how to do that. Now there is one quick way, although this is not the best way, but I want to show you a quick way. So I'll double click and actually I will use a fixed reference or an absolute reference, which means I'm going to tell Excel to fix this cell address so that wherever I copy and paste it, it doesn't change. I can do that by adding a dollar sign here. So here and here. Now if I copy and paste it here and double click, the cell reference doesn't change. Although this is a quick manual way, I don't recommend this personally because this might create some other issues when you're trying to work with these formulas. So I'm going to show you a much better way. So here's what I'll do. Under Home tab, I'll move to the right and you can see this option, Find and Select. I'll click here and then select Replace. Now here what I'm going to do is under Find, I'll put equals to. So I'm telling Excel find all the places where there's an equals to, and all the formulas, as you know, start with an equals to. And then I'll say replace it with hyphen. So what Excel is going to do is Excel is going to find equals to across this entire sheet and replace it with hyphen. So if I click replace all, done. You can see all the formulas are now shown like this. The equals to, which is put at the beginning of every formula, is now replaced with hyphen. So now Excel is treating this as text. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and paste it here. Now I'm going to go back to the same option. So under Home, Find and Select, Replace. And now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the opposite. So I'll find hyphen and I'll replace it with equals to, right? And then replace all and done. And now you can see this entire same formula is pasted here. It's the exact same formula. If I double click, you can see it's multiplying B2 by C2 and here and here, here and also here. So this is how you can copy formulas in Excel without changing cell references. Hope you enjoyed the video. We also have a very interesting video on how to lock cells in Excel. If that's a concept that you're interested in, you can check out the link in the description below. It has been one of the most watched videos on our channel yet. Also, if you want to learn more advanced concepts in Excel like vlookup, pivot tables, index and match, pivot charts, Power Query and much more, then do check out our advanced Excel course. The link is in the description below. And one more thing, before you go, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show us some support. It motivates us to keep making these amazing videos for you. Thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video.